Hey everyone, in my last animation, I used a custom glass dispersion material that I made from scratch. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create that same procedural material step by step. You can check out the full animation by clicking on the link up in the top right. Before we start making this material, I'll be using cycles. If you want to use it in Eevee, there are a few settings you'll need to change and enable. I'm working in Blender 4.5, but you should be able to follow along just fine with older versions too. Start by closing any panels you won't be using. At the top, switch the viewport shading to rendered. Right now, it's showing the default dark grey color. Click the yellow dot next to color. Choose environment texture from the list, then click open and select your HDRI file. If you don't have one, you can find free HDRIs and other materials at polyhaven.com. Now, click New to create a new material. Turn on snapping and rename the material to glass. Select and delete the principled BSDF node. Add a mix shader node and connect it to the surface output. Then, create a glass BSDF node. Set its roughness to 0.1 and plug it into the bottom shader input. You should now see a basic glass material. Duplicate that glass BSDF node and move it to the side. Change its color to red. Then duplicate it 2 more times. On the first one, set the IOR to 1.3. On the second one, change the color to green and set the IOR to 1.4. And on the third one, set the color to blue and the IOR to 1.6. Add an add shader node and duplicate it. We'll use these to combine all 3 glass shaders together. Take the top 2 glass BSDF shaders and connect them to the first add shader node. Then, take the output from that add shader and plug it into the second one. Connect the last glass BSDF shader to that second add shader as well. Finally, take the output from the second add shader and plug it into the top shader input of the mix shader. To finish off the material, add a Fresnel node. Set the IOR to 1.7 and connect it to the factor input of the mix shader. And that's it for this quick tutorial on creating a colourful glass material. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. I'd also love to hear your tips or feedback on how I can make these videos even better. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram and share your projects with me there too. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorials.